Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison at torpedopot.com. And these are our strawberry planters. Man, they look fantastic. And they've got lots and lots of strawberries all over. And I've got to pick some strawberries and give me something to eat. And so I've gotta take care of myself. So what I came out to do today is to pick strawberries, man. I want to pick some strawberries. Oh, look at all those in there. Huh? Oh, this is gonna be great. And it produces strawberries up until the winter. That's great. That's great. It's good. So there's two types of strawberries in here. Everbearing, which are the lighter green, and then we have a unique strawberry plant here that we grow. And I forgot the name of it, but it produces really big, nice, juicy strawberries. It's delicious. So I got to come back and pick some strawberries because I like to eat. And I like to eat natural food, you know. So I got these planters so they can produce me strawberries when I want to eat it. So let's go try a couple of them in here. Is that okay? Let's see if we go down in here and try this. Isn't that beautiful? Guys, these are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in a planter, and it literally grows your food for you. You see that knob right there? Well, all you do is turn that knob, and that knob waters and feeds your plants, and you get to have food like you've never seen before, and it's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Man, that's gorgeous. You don't see a lot of blemishes or anything on this food. This food is perfect. It's amazing food, dude. Truly is amazing food. Torpedopot has got a system that produces amazing food. And it does well. So I'm going to sit down and I'm going to have me some strawberries. Let you guys know what it tastes like. So let me turn my Torpedopot around a little bit. And let me start picking these things off. Look at this. Ah, it looks fantastic, man. Wow. You know what? I've just realized I should get a bowl or something for these, but let's count them. Oh my gosh, if all these produce strawberries, that's gonna be amazing. Man, I don't even want to count them, guys. I just want to eat them. Out of this planter last year, we produced 100 strawberries, and they were fantastic. And they come back every year. We've moved it to a different location, and but it still looks fantastic. I love it. Let me pull this out of here. Oh, it's crushing it. I don't want to crush you. Look at that. Boo boo. She is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Man, that's beautiful. That's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I crushed it. Oh, but she is gorgeous. Let's try this one. Full of flavor. Not totally sweet yet. A little tart. And she is full of flavor. Try one of these big ones down here. Let me try it. They may not be ready, but let's give it a try. One day we'll get lucky. Look at the texture on that bad boy. Isn't that beautiful? No imperfections. Guys, these are torpedopots. These are self-growing planters. You put your seeds and your plants in this planter, and it forms your food for you, and it grows it perfectly. You'll never have a problem with food again in your life. So we brought small seedlings and we put them in these planters about 2 years ago. And some of the ones we put in here for the remaining strawberries, we put them in sometimes about 3 years ago, 3.5 years ago. Every time they grow, they always produce strawberries. We never have a problem with it. And that's why we love our torpedopots. It grows our food for us. And we don't have any problems. We don't have any worries. That was a succulent strawberry. Let's try you. Wow, that's beautiful. That was actually sweeter. Let's try some more. Big ones. These are probably the biggest ones. Let's try another one of these, you think? Ah, this one's hitting down there. I don't know what's going on down there. Let's find out. Ah, look at that one. Yes, I'll take you. I'll take you in a heartbeat. Sure will. Wow. Boy, that's red all my fingers. Isn't that amazing? Let's try one more. It looks great. Oh, I love that. All right, one more. All right, that should be it. Guys, these are torpedo pots. You simply put your seeds in these planters, and it grows your food for you. And we always have berries because it grows our food for us. Strawberries are an amazing treat. Darren Radisson, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Wow.